Hi, welcome to another video of Joyroute. In this video, we are discussing about Microsoft Intune. What is Microsoft Intune? What are the features and benefits of Microsoft Intune? And I will be giving an overview of the Intune portal. In the coming days, I would like to create more videos about Intune portal. Please watch and be with me. Before moving to the endpoint management portal, Intune portal, we will check a theory in quick. So what is Microsoft Intune? So definition, if you check it out, it is cloud-based endpoint management solution. Cloud-based endpoint management solution. We are familiar with many other endpoint management solution on premise like group policy, SSEMs, many other third-party management solutions. But this is cloud-based endpoint management solution that is provided from Microsoft. It manages user accesses, simplify apps and device management. User access is nothing but whatever you have created in Azure AD, it is integrated with Intune portal. Simplify apps, again you can push the applications and make it available to the end user. Devices, you can bring your own devices, you can enroll your office devices to Intune. Again, an Intune administrator can restrict the number of devices that can be registered, that can be enrolled with Intune. Like if the admin have restricted to 3 devices, only 3 devices can be uh, enrolled with Microsoft Intune. Key features are same. The same points are discussing here. You can manage the users and devices that with many other all the platform like iOS, macOS, Linux, Windows, Android, even Microsoft or other Microsoft OS. All these can be managed through Intune. Simplify app management. You can push the applications and make it available to the end user. You got the third point, which is nothing but you can enforce the security, device configuration, compliance policy. All these you can push through Intune. It is nothing but security. In a security point of view, if something to be some policy to be applied to the end user, you can do it in the centralized way through Intune. Device configuration, again compliance policy is nothing but if you want to enroll it with Intune, you should meet up this many requirements like OS should be at least Windows 10 and above, or certain OS and above. Only this and can be enrolled with Intune. Those compliance policy you can create it. Conditional access you can create it. Conditional access and all, it is a big topic. We can check it in the later videos. And employees and students can self-service features in the company portal, can install apps, join groups. All this can be done through uh, Intune portal. So I have a picture here where which says which are the features. The same features which we have discussed now, it is giving over here, like manage devices from central console. You can manage all your devices from Intune. So what we do in the on-premise Active Directory and group policy management, the same thing with more advanced features, you can do it in Intune. Intune has got more features than group policy, and it is keep on changing. They are making more changes and they are including more features to Intune. So we have to keep updated with Intune. Deploy and update software, configuration settings, and voice policies, and all these are features and benefits of Intune. If you come to mobile device management, you can enroll user devices, user personal devices and office devices, push app on a device on devices. Like if you want Outlook to be MS Office to be pushed and to be available to company portal, you can make it through Intune. So let us check the lab because theory it is really bore, and I don't want to get into more theoretical part and make you more bore with this video. So let us get into the portal. So yeah, so first, let us check how we can get into the portal. From the Microsoft 365 admin center, if you come to the admin center area, you can get endpoint manager, which is nothing but Intune. Click on this, that will land on this page. Or you can type it in the browser, https endpoint.microsoft.com. That all also will land on this particular page. Home will give you an overview of the whatever status, healthy, whether it is healthy, is there any error, or whatever policy we have created, all those details will be giving here in the home. Dashboard also will be giving you an overview. Devices, you can see the enrolled devices here. Intune enrolled devices. As of now, if you check it out here, only one device, one Windows device is enrolled. Linux is 0, Android is 0, no other device is enrolled. So we will be in the coming videos. I will show you how we can enroll Mac OS, iOS, and even Windows devices. So macOS, if something, if you want to create some profile only for macOS, we can make it here. This configuration profile is something like what we do in group policy, GPO. We create some GPO and apply to some OU. In the same way, we can create some profile and apply to certain. You can assign to certain group of people, group of computers, a group of users. So here we have again device wise we can create the profiles. Windows we can make it separate profiles. iOS we can make it separate profiles. macOS, Android, all this is separate profile. We can create it. If we come to endpoint security, this is something related to something for the security part. If you here in the admin center, if you go to the security, there you can find endpoint defender, Microsoft Defender portal. So in the Defender portal again, there are endpoint Microsoft Defender endpoint. So that can be Android through sorry, that can be onboarded through Intune. And if you come to the antivirus area, if you want this endpoint management, Microsoft Defender endpoint, that's so antivirus. If you want to make a full scan, if you want to make a quick scan on every week once or twice, so that policy you can create it and make it run for all the users. Even platform based you can separate it and you can apply to all users. Firewall, again, if you want to enable the firewall, disable it, make some settings in the firewall, you can create policy over here. Endpoint detection and response. So if you enable this, if you create a policy over here, through this we can onboard the endpoint Microsoft Defender endpoint, which is an uh, antivirus. Apart from antivirus, it's an advanced mechanism. So Defender is, again, it is a different topic we will discuss later. Attack surface reduction is a security point of view. You can enable a lot of security through attack surface reduction policies. When uh, when we are running, see, that we'll check it in the future videos. It's a huge topic, uh, and we will prepare it and we'll come back to all this. Uses, again, it comes from nothing but whatever uses are available in the Azure Active Directory. All these will integrate to in the with Intune portal, and it will be available here. Groups also same. Whatever groups are available in the Azure Active Directory, all those groups will be integrated here. So this is an overview of the portal. So in the next video, we will check one by one, and we'll move on. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please do subscribe and share to your friends. We will meet you in another video. Bye.